Welcome. Today I will present a technical demo of Wi-Fi analysis using the Allegro Network Multimeter. The goal is to show how we gain deep visibility into wireless traffic, correlate area behavior with application impact, and use real packet data to identify root causes. I will start with a short overview of the platform and then move into Wi-Fi capabilities and a live demo. For the live demo, we will be using an Allegro Network Multimeter of series 1000. The Allegro is built for high speed and detailed analysis. It uses an in-memory database enabling very fast retrospective investigations. Installation and commissioning are quick, and customer-specific requirements can be implemented rapidly. All devices run the same software with strong security, including encryption of the packet ring buffer. The network multimeter provides full visibility from layer 2 to layer 7 for both wired and Wi-Fi networks. It is available as a portable or rack-mount solution or managed through a clear web interface. Remote access is easy, performance is high, and historical PCAPs are always available. Metadata and statistics are stored in an in-memory database and displayed directly in the web interface. Packet data is stored in a ring buffer on internal or external hard drive. This enables traffic replay and selective PCAP extractions with optional full encryption. This slide shows the overall architecture of the Allegro Network Multimeter. Traffic is captured, analyzed in real time, and stored for retrospective analysis. Since it's stored, this design allows troubleshooting without the need to reproduce issues. There are multiple ways to connect the device into a network. It supports inline operation or passive deployments depending on the use case. This flexibility allows both permanent monitoring and temporary troubleshooting of the network. Here we have a general overview of the rack mount series that is designed for permanent installations. It supports high throughput and continuous monitoring, and those models are ideal for data centers and enterprise environments. The portable series offers the same analysis capabilities in a compact form factor. It is ideal for on-site troubleshooting, audits, and temporary deployments. Mobility does not compromise performance or visibility. But do not forget, this is not a portable unit. So for Wi-Fi, it's not a sidekick or a sidless tool. Okay? Speaking a little bit about my own experience when talking to customers or potential users of Allegro, I have to explain the difference between using Allegro and or using Wireshark, because the main thing is that we use Allegro for a better use of Wireshark, and not I use Allegro so I left Wireshark, or if I use Wireshark I don't need Allegro. No, that's not the point. Okay, Allegro integrates with Wireshark, but each tool follows a different approach to achieve basically the same goal. Wireshark is focused on expert level manual packet analysis, while Allegro emphasizes usability, automation, and continuous detection of performance issues. So focusing more on professional level, like an internet provider, a telco environment, things like that. Okay, Allegro is designed for medium skill users and for permanent deployment in production environments. When deeper inspection is required, captured traffic can be exported as a PCAP file for detailed frame level analysis in Wireshark. So they don't exclude themselves, they complement themselves. Okay? Wi-Fi analysis is enabled using USB adapters. Each Allegro device supports up to 16 USB 3.2 Generation 1 Wi-Fi adapters. This enables simultaneous monitoring of multiple channels or frequency bands and makes possible to track roaming issues, for instance. As you know, it's a problem when we try to follow a roaming issue. With this solution, we can follow it up perfectly. Okay? Allegro supports IEEE 802.11, A, B, G, and AC and AX standards. It covers 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz frequency bands. Key features include channel scanning, continuous raw frame capture, real-time analysis and statistics, and WPA2 PSK real-time decryption, which is important if we want to go deeper on the protocol analysis, what is going on on the IP level, for instance. These Wi-Fi features provide real-time visibility into channels, access points, and endpoints. They help to quickly identify interference, congestion, and client-related issues directly from the web interface, which is a must for us that we can do Wi-Fi, we can be an expert, but for the customer, what is important is why this is not working, put it working. So steps to do the Wi-Fi analysis with Allegro. Connect the alpha USB adapter delivered with unit to one of the USB ports. I should say that you should acquire or have another one at a minimum to get visibility onto channels or visibility needed for tracking roaming issues. Okay. In the GUI, go to the Wi-Fi settings page and configure the monitoring channel per adapter. You can also configure the SSID and key for real-time decryption if you want to go on the upper layers to see what's happening on there. Okay, thank you. More information is available in the Allegro Wiki manual. Additional use cases are also available online, demonstrating real-world deployments and troubleshooting scenarios. Allegro provides 100% network traffic recording and playback for detailed post-event analysis. It supports efficient troubleshooting to quickly determine whether an issue originates in the network, the server, the client, or the application. Typical analysis use cases include voice over IP and real-time protocol analysis, unified communication troubleshooting, Microsoft Teams performance issues, Zoom performance issues, pre-filtering PCAPs based on packets of interest, OT and industrial protocols analysis, and troubleshooting. On this introduction of the Allegro Network Multimeter, I would like to say some key takeaways before entering the live demo. Wi-Fi issues are visible at the frame level. PCAPs provide an enable root cause evidence, and Allegro works quite well with Wireshark just to go directly to this root cause. And Allegro links REF behavior directly to application performance. Say that this should be the main takeaways of this presentation and live demo that we are going now to jump to. Thank you.